So this video is a sound comparison of different bottom housings with MX Silent stems. So here we go. This is a Cherry MX stem. It's stock, and it silences the downstroke pretty well. Next up is a Cherry MX Silent stem, but in a Gateron black housing. It silences the downstroke and upstroke pretty good as well, about the same as the Cherry MX. Next is the Gateron Milky. The top housing shouldn't affect the sound. And if you can hear that clack, it's because of the design of the bottom housing, which makes it so that the rubber dampeners on the MX Silent stem doesn't make contact with the bottom housing, so it bottoms out like a normal stem would. This is a Gateron SMD switch. And if you can hear that, it has the same issue as the Gateron Milky housings, and that the dampeners do not touch the bottom of the case, they bottom out like a normal stem would. This is a CowPro bottom housing. And once again, same issue. So these three housings are unsuitable for stem swapping with MX Silent stems, and so far only the stock MX Silent switch and the Gateron black housings are found work with the MX Silent stems. Yeah, so that's it.